Well, here's what we can do for you, dear precious one. We can acknowledge that you are straddling something right now. You have one foot in one arena and another foot in another arena. And the only thing that is preventing any type of momentum from taking place is the fact that both feet are quite planted. Yes, they are indeed quite planted. And so where are you going? We want to know this from you. How about that? We are able to flip this around and ask you, where is it that you would like to take your loving energy? Where is it that you would like to grant the blessing of your focus and your unfoldment? Where is it and with whom? And when you have the clarity on this, you will need to look down. Where is your right foot? Where is your left foot? How sticky do they feel underneath? We have a process that we would like to take you through very briefly that will allow for the stickiness to unstick. And it is something that you will find enormously beneficial and incredibly simplistic at the same time. If you are willing to do so, however, you will find that your access and your self-trust will compound on itself tenfold. This is a good thing, a very good thing. So here is what we are suggesting. You must fill a basin with some cold, yes, we are sorry to inform you, very cold, even with some ice cubes melting in it, water, and then add some minerals that will dissolve. This can be, as you know it, it's like salts, bath salts of some sort, and stir them round. Keep them in the whole sense in the bottom of the basin. Add the water and then allow your feet to do the dissolving. You will want to crunch them underneath the soles of your feet until they are perfectly blended in the water. That sounds terribly uncomfortable, you say, and we say, we know, this is part of the point. You need to be re-engaged with how and where and in what ways you are drawing on the energy that is here for you, but that you quite quickly disconnect from by going off into some other space of the mind. And so anyways, back to the basin. That is the first step. The second step is that after these granules, salt granules are dissolved, you will take your feet to the immediate place of the earth, ideally an area that has been warmed by the sun. This is for you to feel the difference, but also for that which is sticky to become unsticky. And here we will bring you all of the energy through the soles of your feet that you need so that you may clear yourself. Do you feel heavy right now? We are not speaking in terms of literal weight. We are speaking in terms of energy. For there is some settling of dust around you. This does not make you heavy, but it certainly can feel, if you are attuned to the subtle perception of it, as though something is not quite yours around you. And then dust, you can simply let that go. And this practice with the feet and the salts and the cold and the warm and the earth and the water and the everything will provide just that. That's it. Simple. We told you it was going to be simple. When you find yourself in the straddling of perhaps this and perhaps that, what if this, what if that, shall I choose this or shall I choose that? We would guide you to go right back to this practice, for it is only through the careful attunement of what the soles of your feet are doing can you allow them to have the movement they are meant to have. They are not meant to be so heavily grounded all the time. Your grounding energy is an asset, to be sure, no question there, but you are not meant to be overly grounded. And so where are you going is the question. That's exactly what we're asking you.